Have you ever had a friend ask, "What's your Wi Fi password?" And then you hesitate because you don't really want to give them access to the same network your computer, smart TV, security cameras, and other devices are connected to? Well, this is a better way, and it only takes a few minutes to set up. Hi, I'm Savvy Tech Grandma, and today I'm going to show you how to connect a guest Wi-Fi network on your router. A guest network gives visitors their own Wi-Fi connection while keeping your personal devices separate and more secure. That means your guests can browse the internet, check email, or stream videos without having access to your computers, printers, smart home devices, or files on your main network. It's one of the easiest ways to improve home network security. Let's get started. First, make sure you're connected to your home Wi-Fi. Open your favorite web browser and type your router's address into the address bar. For many routers, it's something like 192.168.1.1 or 198.168.0.1. If either of these don't work, try searching in the browser for the admin IP address for the brand name of your router. Log in using your router's administration username and password. If you've never changed them, you may find the default login information on a sticker on the router or in the manual. Once you've logged in, look through the menu for something called Guest Network, Guest Wi-Fi, or Wireless Settings. Every router looks a little different, but most have this feature somewhere in the wireless settings. Enable or turn on the Guest Network option. If your router offers both a 2.4 GHz and a 5 GHz guest network, you can enable one or both. Most newer devices work well on the 5 GHz network, while older devices may need the 2.4 GHz. Now it's time to name your guest network. You can keep it simple like Smith Guest, or have a little fun with names like Grandma's Guest Lounge, Free Cookies First, or Wi-Fi Side. Choose something you'll recognize easily. Protect your guest network with a strong password. Use a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Make it different from your main Wi-Fi password so your home network stays extra secure. Look for an option that says something like Allow guests to access local network, intranet access, device isolation, or client isolation. For the best security, disable access to your local network or enable device isolation if your router offers it. This keeps guests from accessing your personal devices while still allowing them use of the internet. Click Save or Apply. Your router may take a minute to update its settings. Test it out. Grab your phone or another device and connect to the new guest network. Make sure you can browse the internet. If everything works, congratulations, you've successfully created a guest Wi-Fi network. Now, when visitors ask for your Wi-Fi password, you can confidently give them your guest network instead of your personal one. Creating a guest network is one of those small changes that can make a big difference in protecting your home network while making it easy for friends and family to get online. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and join the No Stress Tech Club. There will be a link for that in the description. And now I want to hear from you. What's the funniest or most creative guest Wi-Fi network name you've ever used or seen? Share it in the comments below. I can't wait to read them. And make sure you're following @SavvyTechGrandma because there will be a Wi-Fi QR code video coming soon where I teach you how to create a QR code that guests can scan to automatically connect to your new guest Wi-Fi. I'm your Savvy Tech Grandma, and I'll see you in the next video where we create the Wi-Fi QR code for your guest network.